Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Stick around to see the world and your life in a different way. Today, our focus is on the explanation of sociology. Sociology is the science of people and modern societies. It is a social science because sociologists use the scientific method to observe people, social environments, cultures, and the organization of societies. This includes everything from how people interact and communicate to how society shapes our minds and lives. Think about the many groups that you're a part of, like your workplace, college, neighborhood, friends, and family. Each of these groups has its own set of rules and ways of doing things. Sociologists are intrigued by how these ways of doing things originate, evolve, and are influenced by things like the economy, government and policies, and technology. Families are a primary group in society and play an important role in our lives. As the first social group we belong to, they nurture and guide us and teach us ways of doing things that are acceptable by the society in which we live. Sociologists study not just the interactions within families, but also the changes in families over time and society's influence on them. For example, like parenting, marriage, or even divorce. Work also plays a significant role in our lives. It's so much more than just a paycheck. Work shapes our identity, social networks, and opportunities. It influences our daily routines and interactions, and for many, gives us a sense of purpose, belonging, and meaning. Technology is also always changing and reshaping the economy, including changes to the type of work people do. Schools not only prepare us for the workforce, schools teach us society's rules and connect us to our peers. Sociologists help us understand our own experiences in the world around us. At its core, sociology is about making sense of the social world around us, including making visible the invisible expectations and social forces that influence all aspects of our lives from the moment we take our first breath to our last. Sociologists pull open the curtain and help us understand the social world, including our own lives and how we can make a difference in society. And this makes sociology worth exploring further, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.